Okay, so now, let's see. Now what we'd like is for the bullets that the aliens are shooting to disappear when they hit the bottom of the screen. So let's take a look. Remember well, we had the code in shooter bullet before, but we moved all that code over here to bullet. So now we have this act that says move a step size and then check, you know, check if we've gone out of bounds, and then remove the object. So really, this is our check for out of bounds makes sense for the shooter, because if we get if get y is less than step size, I mean, it makes sense for the shooter bullets. If those bullets get up to here, we want them to disappear. But for these bullets, we want them to disappear when they get down here, right? So let's make a method to test to see if we're out of bounds, and then we'll do a different version of it for each out of bounds. I think I'll call it or maybe yeah, I'll call it out of bounds. Okay, and so what I'll do is for this one I'll just return this. Get y is less than step size, and that way this is my test here, right? This evaluates to true or false. This returns true or false depending on get y. Maybe is out of bounds. Sounds more like a Boolean. And I'll stick this in here. Okay, so why did I do that? Well, if I have an is out of bounds, if I have a is out of bounds method, what I can do is copy that into alien bullet, and the test that I really want for this guy is that the get y is too big, right? If he gets down to the bottom of the screen, then the y is going to get really big. It's going to get bigger than, let's say, the height of the world minus the step size, right? So let's say, so we could say int world height equals get world. Oh, actually, first we need to get the world's image, I think. Let's see. Or maybe we do. No, maybe the world, maybe we can just say get height. Let's see. If I say world, do I have a get height? Oh yeah, get height. So yeah, so I can just get the height of the world. All right, so let's go back here to alien bullet. Okay, so I can say get world, get height. That'll get me the height of the world, right? And then, oh, let me break it down. Okay, let me break it down more than that. Int world equals get world, right? Then world height equals world.getHeight. We call get height on the world, right? And then we check to see if our y is bigger than, let's say, world height minus the step size. Okay? So that's the basic idea. What did I do here? Incompatible types found. Oh yeah, this wants to be world, right? World. Okay. And then, step size has private access in bullet. So what we want to do in bullet here then, so that our subclasses can see us, we could actually do protected, but I don't want to give you too many things to remember. So let's just say public. Okay, so now all my descendants know what okay, oh, not this one, this is the other one, right? The alien bullet. So now the alien bullet knows about step size, okay, and we're out of bounds if we say get y bigger than. So our is out of bounds test is a little bit different now. So we could have, instead of world height, we could have just used this, right? I could say cut and paste, and then we can eliminate that guy. Okay, so just by using the method call instead of a variable. And here also, look at this. This is a method call too, isn't it? So we can just replace that variable, since we're only using it in that one place, really, too. There's no reason to store it separately. We can just do that. Okay, so now we have is out of bounds for alien bullet is going to be if it hits the bottom of the screen. And is otherwise for all the other bullets, it's if it gets to the top of the screen. Okay. So we can compile that. And now, when our bullets hit the bottom of the screen, they go away. And just to make sure, the bullets, these bullets, when they hit the top of the screen,